Yeah, man!
Hello, my name is Miguel. Today I'm gonna make for you a healthy power snack cereal before exercise. So you're gonna need 2 cups of oats. I use old-fashioned oats, that's best. 1/4 or 1/3 cup of Bran. Coconut milk powder. I'm using a 50-gram pack of coconut milk powder. I'm just using half, but you can also use the entire pack if you so desire. 2 tablespoons of raisin and 1 or 2 ripening banana. Measure 2 cups of water, and you can add frozen fruits, strawberry slices, berries, etc. Visit JamaicaDinners.com for the recipe. Get a big bowl like this. Measure and add 2 tablespoons of coconut milk powder. That's 25 grams. The pack is 50 grams. So you can use the entire pack if you want, but I'm frugal, so I'm just going to use half of the pack. It's just as good. And add a tablespoon between 2 tablespoons of raisins. Next, this cup that I'm using is 1/3. You can use a 1/4 cup. Measure and add 1/4 between 1/3 cup of Bran. After that, measure and add 2 cups of oats. I like to use old-fashioned oats. Next, measure and add 2 cups of water. And please note, you can use cow's milk instead, almond milk, breeze, condensed milk. If you're using condensed milk, you use the water. And about 1 cup of condensed milk. Or half cup of condensed milk mixed with the 2 cups of water. You stir it in properly. Two cups of water. And use a lid, cover it, and allow it to stay for 5 minutes, at least 5 between 10 minutes. Then after that, you can add the frozen fruits and the banana. Allow the oats to soak between the time, and then after that, we're going to add the banana, sliced bananas. After 5 minutes, you take your ripe banana, peel it, and then add sliced bananas to your oats cereal. You're going to add this right when you're about to eat, because you don't want the banana to stay in the milk and get soggy or too soft. This is healthy power snack cereal idea before exercise routine. Please note, allow the cereal to digest 2.5 between 3 hours before working out. important. This is a nice snack for me. Some of you might think it's boring, but it's not. And it's very hearty. You can add sliced strawberries, or you can use berries along with the bananas. You can use frozen fruits pieces instead, or as well. And remember, wait 3 hours before you exercise. You can use cow's milk, almond milk, breeze, condensed milk, evaporated milk. Whatever milk you like, you can use it. But I use coconut milk. Add no sugar. Since I start running every day from August 2019, August the 1st, 2019, I look after this cereal every day 3 hours before I start working out. So if I'm working out in the evening, I prepare it before I start working out. And I find it to be useful. So that's why I'm sharing this video with you, so that maybe you can try it. Try making this cereal yourself and give us feedback. Subscribe, like, and share. Add no sugar. Until next time, bye.
Yeah, man.